I'm here in Coonan Street, Indooroopilly. It's a very popular retail precinct. It's wall-to-wall retail right adjacent to that enormous Indooroopilly shopping centre. It's a popular area and we've been marketing properties in this area for some time, but I've recently come across a really special one. Come with me, I'll show you now. Right from the moment I pulled up, you could tell that this was a special property here at 53 Coonan Street at Indooroopilly. Here we are on site and you can see how accessible the property is and the potential of that property. When I received a call from a lawyer in Melbourne, his family had acquired the 9 townhouses here on site over a 20-year period. The family had amalgamated all 9 townhouses on a 2,100 square metre parcel of land. The Brisbane City Council allowed up to 8 stories of development to occur on the site. There was already considerable apartments nearby which demonstrated the high demand for properties like this in the area. The owners of this property had approached me because they'd tried to sell the property with another agent unsuccessfully, and they were introduced to me by a law firm here in Brisbane. Once we started marketing the property, we promoted it to thousands of potential buyers. I spoke to hundreds of people in order to identify the most interested parties. We had 130 people interested in the property, the strongest interest all from Asian buyers, and in the end we had 7 offers for the vendors to consider. They had the peace of mind of signing an unconditional contract which was settling in less than 30 days for $5.5 million. This is just one example of the enormous demand here at Indooroopilly. Savills have recently published a market overview which outlines the activity in the area. It emphasises the enormous demand that the Queensland University provides, but also the access through public transport and the train station and all the retail facilities of the Indooroopilly shopping centre. This report provides you with a benchmark to compare what your property might be worth. Or if you are interested in property in the area, then it gives you a guide to what other people have been paying for properties. If you'd like a copy, you can download it or just ask me and I'm very happy to provide it. Thank you.